Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're focusing on how to grow peppers in pots. We'll cover how to choose the right pot, fill it with the right soil, and explain why potted peppers can give you more control over your plant's growing conditions. When selecting a pot for peppers, choose one that's at least 12 inches deep and wide. Larger pots provide plenty of room for the roots to grow, leading to healthier plants and bigger yields. Pots made of materials like plastic or ceramic are ideal because they retain moisture better than terracotta, which can dry out quickly. Use a high-quality potting mix designed for vegetables. To boost nutrients, you can add organic matter like compost or slow-release fertilizer. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can harm your pepper plants. One of the biggest advantages of growing peppers in pots is control. You can easily manage soil quality and move the pots to follow the sun, ensuring your plants get at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Pots also let you bring your peppers indoors if the weather turns harsh, protecting them from extreme conditions. With the right pot, soil, and care, growing peppers in containers is a great way to ensure healthy plants and a plentiful harvest. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy planting!